got, Ollie?
That's the offside rear brake drum, and that drum's off now. The wheel cylinder itself is leaking fluid.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And that's one issue, but it's not leaked out into the drum yet, so it's not contaminated anything in there. Same on the other side, it's leaking but not contaminated the drum. The trailing brake shoe, which is this one here, the material is completely worn out, and that pretty much all the way around. It should have ample amount of wear. But this one's worn anyway because it's worn on the edges there.
Yeah.
And it's worn further down here, but yeah, the trailing one's the worst. And there's no action on that.
What was the brake fluid level when you found the car?
Below the minimum.
Right.
The unions on the back, quite corroded. It's hard to see, but the unions right on the back, it's quite corroded where it goes into the cylinder.
So what's causing the lack of handbrake?
It's poor adjustment on the shoes, and the fact that these shoes are worn out. The other side locked out before this side did. As I about two clicks on the handbrake, and the near side locked out, and it was about 5 or 6 clicks on this side, and then this one locked out, so it was uneven. The fluid reservoir for the brake fluid cap was left off and hanging down the back of the engine, and the adjuster inside the car on the handbrake lever was at its max position, so it's been adjusted to its max, so there was no reserve travel left on that adjuster, so I've de-adjusted that. But all the handbrake cables are all pulling fine, that they're all free, they're not sticking or anything.
Okay, so what have we got to do?
It's going to be new rear shoes. That's the set all round for the rear. 2 new rear wheel cylinders, and I've got a fitting kit for the springs and the adjuster coming up because they're quite rusty, and just so there's a few of the locking tabs that are quite badly not holding tension on the shoe properly.
Okay, it's like a new one there.
Yeah, it's a new one there, same on the other side.
Okay, lovely, I'll send that to the lady, thank you. Okay, so you started, Ollie. What have we got?
Taking the shoes off, the adjusters for the adjusting the position of the shoes, how much they touch the drums. Now it's this plate here with this, it's got teeth on it. You just adjust it and it acts upon each other, but this one has been recently welded.
Why would they do that?
Not a clue. So maybe to try and get adjustment to stop it adjusting back, but the teeth should hold it in place and you shouldn't have to ever do anything like that. Same on the other side, it's been same thing, and this as well, they are at their max adjustment as well. Down here you can see there's no travel left. It shouldn't be this much teeth exposed, and it's been done the same there, and being that it's bare metal.